Today we'll go ahead with some more problems of 3 and 4 markers of binomial theorem. So dear students, expanding this using binomial theorem is simple and easy. Here x means the first term, that is 2. A means the second term, that is x. A power m by a power n is a power m minus 1. 34 minus 3, it will become 2. Interesting. So I'm using the important concept what we have derived in permutation combination. If NCX is equal to Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with some more problems of 3 and 4 markers of binomial theorem. So now simplify 3 plus root 2 power x power 6 minus 3 minus root 2 power 6. They want you to simplify 3 plus root 2 power 6 minus 3 minus root 2 power 6. So in order to simplify, we need to expand. There are 6 terms. All the 6 terms we need to expand and we need to conclude. So we should use x plus a power n expansion. All of you know x plus a power n is what? nc naught x power n a power 0 nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 nc2 x power n minus 2 a square, means x power decreases, a power increases. So this expansion till nc and same, x power becomes 0, a power n. So we have to use this expansion and we need to simplify one of the important questions. Power 6 means there will be 7 terms in the expansion. We'll take that. Now 3 plus root 2 power 6 can be expanded as 6c 0, 3 power 6 and root 2 power 0, then 6c1, 3 power 5, root 2 power 1, then 6c2, 3 power decreases 4 and root 2 power 0. See, root 2 power square, the first term power decreases, 3 power 6, then 3 power 5, then 3 power 4, like that. Second term increases, root 2 power 0, root 2 power 1, root 2 square, then 6c3, 3 power decreases, 3, root 2 cube, then 6c4, 3 power 2, root 2 power 4, and 6c5, 3 power 1, root 2 power 5, and the last term is what? 6c6, 3 power 0 and root 2 power 5. This is the expansion, power 6. So dear students, expanding this using binomial theorem is simple and easy. So here if you observe, we start with 6 is 0, 6 is 0, 6e1, 6e2, 6e3, 6e4, 6e5, 6e6. Stop when these two become same. Then the first term is what? 3 power, start with n is 6, 3 power 6, then 3 power 5. 3 power decreases, 3 power 4, 3 power 3, 3 power 2, 3 power 1, finally it becomes 3 power 0. Second term power goes on increasing, root 2 power 0, then power 1, root 2 power square, root 2 cube, root 2 power 4, root power 5, root 2 power 6. Then the next term is, if you read the question, that is 3 minus root 2, it is 3 minus root 2 power 6. So 3 minus root 2 power 6. See here the terms 3 and root 2 numbers are same. And instead of plus we have minus. When you have minus, plus minus alternates. Instead of taking minus root 2 whole square, minus root 2 whole cube like that, you can take plus minus alternating. So first term is plus 6c0, 3 power 6. I'll take root 2 only, power 0, because minus root 2 power 0 is also 1. Then minus 6c1, above what we have, 3 power 5, root 2 power 1. Then plus 6c2, 3 power 4 and root 2 square. Then minus 6c3, 3 cube, root 2 cube. So above what we have written, same thing I am writing, but plus minus alternate. Start from positive, negative, then positive, then negative. Then again positive 6c4, 3 square root 2 power 4 and negative 6c5, 3 power 1 root 2 power 5 and positive 6c6, 3 power 0 root 2 power 6. Now they want you to subtract these two. What do they want you to do? They want you to subtract. So if you see, they want you to simplify, means in between we have minus sign. So that's why I call this as equation 1 and equation 2. Subtract them. We'll perform equation 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. LHS becomes what? 3 plus root 2 power 6 minus 3 minus root 2 power 6. Actually we need to find this only. LHS minus LHS, RHS minus RHS. When you are subtracting, sign changes. So this is positive, it will become negative. This is negative, it will become positive. Negative. Negative becomes positive. Positive becomes negative. Negative becomes positive. And this positive becomes negative. Now opposite terms will cancel. Opposite terms will cancel. So now this is positive 60 naught. This is negative 60 naught. Cancels. This is positive after changing the sign. This is positive. Positive plus positive means it gets added. And this is positive and this is negative. This is negative. This is positive. These two are opposite. It cancels. This is positive. This is positive. It will get added. This is positive and this is negative. So these two cancels. And this is positive and this is positive. It will be as it is. Positive and negative. This will get cancelled. So now whatever left out, we should add them. Like terms. So now A plus A. What is A plus A? All of you know A plus A is 2A. Similarly, 6C1 and after you change the sign, it is plus now. 6C1 plus 6C1 is 2 times 6C1. Remaining, what is the 3 power 5? Root 2 power 1 means root 2. Then similarly, 6C3 plus 6C3, that is 2 times 6C3. And whatever, 3 cube, root 2 cube. And then we have these two adds up. 6C5 plus 6C5. 2 times 6C5. And 3 into root 2 power 5. That's it. So in all the terms you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, you will be left out with 6C1. Or we'll simplify each term and finally we'll calculate the value. To 6C1. What is 6C1? 6. 3 power 5. 3 power 5. 3 power 4 is 81. 81 into 3. 81 into 3. 8 3 is 22. 243. So 2 into 6C1 is 6 into 3 power 5 is 243 root 2 plus again we have 2 into 6C3. 6C3 means from 6 5 term 3 terms 6 5 4 divided by 3 2 1. 3 cube is 27. Root 2 cube. Root 2 cube can be written as 2 root. Root 2 square into 2 root plus 2 into 6C5 is same as 6C1, that is just 6 into 3. Root 2 cube can be written as root 2 power 4 into root. Now further we can simplify this. 2 6 are, or in all the terms we have 2 common, we can take 2 common also, or 2 6 are 12 into 243 root 2 plus 3 2s are 6 and 6 I can cancel. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40, 40 2s are 80, 80 into 27, 80 into 27, 80 into 27, 8 7s are 56, 5 8 2s are 16 plus 5, 16 plus 5 21, 2160, 2160. 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40, 42s are 80, 80 into 27 root 2 plus 2 6 are 18 into 3. Yeah, 6 are 18 into 2. 12 3 is a 36. Root 2 power 4. See, root 2 power, root means power half power 4 can be written as 2 1s are 2 2s. It will become 2 square, it is 4. So root 2 power 4 becomes 4 into root. Further we need simplification, that is equal to, so multiply this, 12 3 is a 36, 6 3 and 12 4 is a 48, 48 plus 3, 48 plus 3 51 5, 12 2 is a 24, 24 plus 5 29, 2 9 1 6 root 2, then 2 1 6 0 root 2, then 6 4s are 24 2 and 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14 144 root. So now root 2 is common, you can take out 2916 plus 160 plus 144 and root 2 you separate it. Add them using calculator. So 2900, 3000, 3100, 3140, 3000 200, 204, 204, 210, 216. So this is 2900, 3000, 3100, 3204, 204, 0 root. So this is a simplified value. Here, after your expansion using binomial theorem, cancelling the opposite terms, when you subtract, sign changes. That is important. Then find x if 17th and 18th terms in the expansion of 2 plus x power 50 are equal. They told 17th term is equal to 18th term. See, first 2 plus x power 50 is given problem. Here x means the first term, that is 2, a means the second term, that is x, and n is 50. And they clearly mentioned they want you to find the value of x. And the value of x we need to find, and they told the 17th term is equal to 18th term. This is given t17 equal to t18. All of you know t17 is what? NCR. I can write it as t16 plus 1. This I can write it as t17 plus 1. This is NCR. TR plus 1 formula we should use. All of you know what is TR plus 1. What is TR plus 1? TR plus 1 is NCR x power n minus r into what? A power r. Use the same formula. NCR. What is n? Overall power. Overall power is what? 50. So NCR means 50 CR. That is 50 C6. And x power n minus r. X means the first term. 2 power n minus r. 16 minus r. A power r. A means x. X power n minus r. N is what? 50. 50 minus r means 50 minus 16. Minus 16. X power r means 16. T17 is 17 plus 1 means what? 50 C. R is 17. X means 2 power 50 minus 17. X power r. X is what? The second term. In the place of x, what you have? A is x only. So x power r. X power 17. Simplify this. 15C16, sorry, this is 15C16. This is, now simplify this. I have 50C16, 2 power 50 minus 16, 50 minus 16, 50 minus 10, 40, 40 minus 6, 34. And we have x power 6 is equal to 50C17, 2 power 40, 33, x power 17. So transfer the terms, bring 2 power 33, 15 C 16, subtraction 50 minus 16, or okay, 15 C 16, 2 power 34, let it be. I'll bring 2 power 23 this side, 33 this side, is equal to 50 C 17. I'll transfer x power 17, let it be, into x power 16 it is, divided by, it will become x power 16. So you can use law of indices. So now 50 C 16, a power m by a power n is a power m minus 1, 34 minus 3, it will become 2. 50 C 17, you take it up, if you take it up, 17 minus 16, 17 minus 16 is x. Now from this you need to find x. Again x is equal to what? 50 C 16 divided by 50 C 17. 50 C 16 and 50 C 17 differs by what? One term, that is from 50. Then we'll have 49. So until what? 16 terms. So if you subtract, okay, if you 16 terms you should expand or simplify this. All the terms cancels except, so denominator will be one more, 15C6, 50C 16, NC3, NC2 if I divide. NC3 and NC, first for example 4C3, 4C2 if I divide. 4C3 means what? 4, 3, 2 divided by 3, 2, 1 divided by 4, 3 divided by 2, 1. Here one term, here 4, 3, 4, 3 cancels, 2 by 3 will be left out. So same, you have to expand this or simplify this further. All the terms cancel, denominator and numerator. So if we expand 50 from 50, 16 terms, 50, 49, 48, so on, divided by 16 into 15 into so on till 1. Denominator also 50, 49, 48 till we'll have 16 terms. 50, 10 terms means I'll reach 40, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 44, 43, 42, 41 and 40. 10 terms is 40. 16 terms means from there 6 terms. 40, then decrease 6 terms. If I decrease from 40, 40 minus 6 gives you 34. 34 I should stop. And here I should stop at 17 terms. 34 and then I'll have 33 also. So now I can cancel the denominator 17 factorial. 17 into 16 into 15 into so on dot 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 1. See, now you can cancel the terms. So 50 till 34 and 50 till 34 cancels. 16 till 1 and 16 till 1 cancels. Whatever is left out you write and get the value of x. So LHS is x is equal to RHS. We have all the terms in numerator got cancelled, and denominator here all the terms are cancelled, so it is 1 divided by 33 into 70. So they told T17 is equal to T18. T17 is 16 plus 1. 17, 18 is this. So this is NCR 50 C 16. 2 power 50 minus 16. X power this. 50 C 17. So x you transfer that side. Here you will get x power, sorry, it is x power 16. X power R. R is what? 16. So R 16 transfer that side. RHS will have x and bring this term to this side and you will simplify. You get the term into 2 we have. So here we are left out with what? 2 into 2 is there. 15C 16 into 2. This 2 here you can take. Simplify this, you will get a number value. That is the answer. Then second, third, fourth terms of this are 108, 54, 12 respectively. Find the value of x, y, z. See, t is 2. Second term means t2 is how much? T2 is 108. Now we write T2. T2 means what? TR plus 1. Can I write it as T1 plus 1 is equal to NCR. NCR, what is N? N means overall power. What is the overall power? X plus Y power N they told. Overall is N. NC1. X power N minus R means first term. What is the first term? X. X power N minus R. X power N minus 1. A power R. What is A? Y. Y power R. Y power 1 is how much? They gave 108. So now call this as equation 1. See, if I simplify NC1 x power n minus 1 y value is 108 and n is overall power we don't know. Now see, NC1 means from n one term, n into NC1 is n, x power n minus 1 y is 108. Call it as equation 1. So now we got one equation. Now they told second term is 54. Second term we done. Third term is what? 54. T3 is 54. T3 is 54. I can write T3 as what? T2 plus 1. NCR. NCR is 2. X power n minus r. N minus 2. A is what? Second term. Y. Y power r. So second term is y. Y power r. R is what? 2 is equal to how much they give? Third term value is 54. Equate it to 54. Simplify. You know NC2 means what? 2 terms. N into n minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. X power n minus 2 y square is 54. Transfer 2 to that side. 54 into 2. 54 2s are 108. If 2 1s are 2, 2 transfer to RHS. So we'll have n into n minus 1 into x power n minus 2 y square. Call this as equation 2. Now we have fourth term. Fourth term is 12 they told. So T4 they gave 12. T4 is what? T3 plus 1 is 12. Means what? NCR. NC3. X power n minus r. X power n minus 3. And y. Y power r. What is r? 3 is how much? Fourth term is 12 they told. So now NC3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, 3 terms divided by 3 into 2 into 1 x power n minus 3 y cube. So 3 2s are 6, it will become 12 into 6. So this is 12, transfer this to RHS. So you'll have n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into x power n minus 3 y cube is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6 if you transfer that side, 12 6 are 72. Call it as 3. So now we created 3 equations from whatever is given. See, observe, we got 3 equations. In that equation 1 is 108, equation 2 is 108. I'll divide 2 by 1. So perform the operations. So perform 2 divided by 1. If you divide equation 2 by 1, LHS by LHS. What is LHS? N into n minus 1. N into n minus 1 x power n minus 2 y square. N minus 2 y square divided by n into x power n minus 1 y. N into n minus 1, see, n into x power n minus 1 y. X power n minus 1 into y is equal to 108 by 108. 108 cancels. N cancels. So you are left out with what? N, that implies n minus 1. And law of indices, you take it up, it will become x power n minus 2 minus n plus 1. And y you take it up, it will become y power 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is n minus 1, n and minus n cancels, it will be minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So y by x is what? 1. That implies you got y by x value. What is y by x? 1 by. So y by x is n minus 1, or if you want x by y, this is x power minus 1, it will become x by y. So if you want x by 1, y by x is 1 by, you transfer this side, n minus 1, or n minus 1 is y, x by y. Y by x or x by y. Or in the, okay, this is fine. Wherever we get 1 by n minus 1, we can put y by x, or n minus 1 is x by y. Now we created one more equation. Now remaining equations, we have 3 and we call this 2 and 3. Now n minus 1, n minus 2 is there, n minus 1 is there, we'll divide these two. So now we'll perform 3 by 2. If you do 3 by 2, LHS, RHS, LHS by LHS, if you do n minus 1 cancels, we are left out with n minus 2. Directly I'll write what is left out. And n minus 3 minus n minus plus 2. X power, law of indices, n minus 3. If you take it up, it will become minus n plus 2. Similarly, y cube is there and y square is there is equal to, I am doing 3 by 2, 72 by 108. Now we will be left out with n into n minus 1 is cancelled. Okay. N minus 2 into x power cancels. It will be x by y. This will become y by x again. Y by x is equal to 72 by 108. Both are divisible by 12. 12 6 is 72. 12 7 is 84. 12 9 is 108. Further 3 2 is 3 3 is 2 by 3. So we got n minus 2 into y by x. We got n minus 2 into y by x is equal to 2 by 3. So substitute n minus 2, let it be, n minus 2 let it be, and y by x, you know, what is y by x? 1 by n minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. So n minus 2 is equal to, cross multiply, 3 is equal to 2 times n minus 1. Simplify this, 3n minus 6 is equal to 2n minus 2. Bring this to the side, so n is equal to 4 will get. So we got n value 4. So you got n value 4, you can do comparison. You can do what? Comparison. So n value we got 4. Now we have equation. What is the equation? Y by x is equal to 1 by n minus 1. Substitute n. Y by x is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1. That implies y by x is equal to 1 by 3. By method of comparison, y is 1 and x is 3. So we got all the values. They want x, y and n. We got all the values. First you divide 2 by 1, you will get y by x value. Then you divide 3 by 2, you will get n minus 1 into y by x. Substitute y by x, you will get n. N is equal to 4. Substitute in equation, particular equation n minus 1 here and r this, and compare. By comparison, you will get the value of x as 3, y is 1 and n is 4. The coefficient of 2r plus 4th term and r minus 2th term in the expansion of 1 plus x power 18 are equal, then r is. So they told coefficient of 2r plus 4th term is equal to coefficient of r minus 2th term. So dear students, coefficient for tr plus 1, quotient is NCR. See, quotient is NCR, means what? This decreases by 1. So what is the quotient for this? N. What is N? 18. 18C, 1 less than this. 2r plus 4 minus 1. Quotient of this, they wanted to find r, is equal to, quotient of this is 18 NC, 1 less than this, r minus 2 minus 1. This they gave equal, means 18C 2r plus 3 is same as 18C r minus 3. See, now above values are same, so equate the below values. Therefore 2r plus 3 has to be equal to what? R minus 3. Rearrange, bring this to this side. So 2r minus r is equal to r minus 2th term, r minus 2 minus 1. This is 2r plus 1, 2r plus 4 minus 1. That is 2r plus 3. Yes, 2r plus 3 is equal to 18cr. So all of you know ncr is equal, ncx is equal to ncy, means n is x plus y. So 18 is this, or we can, instead of comparison, see here, we have an important relation in the beginning, 1 mark, as I taught you in permutation and combination. I can make use of this. What is that? If ncx is equal to ncy, we have ncx and ncy, if they are same, then n is x plus y. So I can use this. So now your n is x plus y. N is what? 18. 18 is x plus y. 2r plus 3 plus r minus 3. So 18 is 2r plus 3 is 3r, cancels. So that is 18 divided by 3 is r. That is r is 3 ones are 3, 6. R is 6. Interesting. So I am using important concept what we have derived in permutation combination. If ncx is equal to ncy, then n is equal to x plus y. Here 18c something is equal to 18c something. So 18 is equal to sum of these two. N is 18 is sum of these two. I am using that. When I use that, I will get r value. They want r value, we got it. Now they want middle term. I have done problems on middle term. But again, why I have included this? Because here power is odd number. If power is odd number, there will be two middle terms. Here the power is 15. 15 is the power. It's odd number. There will be two middle terms. So what are the middle terms? So the middle terms are 15 plus 1 by 2th term, 2th and next term. These are the two middle terms. Middle terms are n plus 1 by 2th term and next term. N plus 1 means 15 plus 1, 16 by 2th term and next. 8th and 9th term. So we need to find T8 and T9 are the middle terms. There will be two middle terms are the middle terms, and we need to find T18 and T8 and T9. How to find T8 and T9? So as usual, use TR plus 1 is equal to what? NCR x power n minus r a power r. So I need T8. T8 can be written as T7 plus 1 is equal to NCR. What is n here? 15. 15CR, r is what? 7. X means the first term. First term is what? 3x. 3x power 15 minus 7 into a. A is what? 2 by x square. 2 by x square power r. R is what? 7. So T8 is equal to 15C7 3x whole power 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 if you do 2 power 7 x power law of indices x power 14 2 7s. Then simplify. T8 is equal to 15C7 3 power 8 2 power 7 and x power 8 by x power 14 and transfer x to denominator a power m by a power n. So finally we'll have T8 is equal to 15C7 3 power 8 2 power 7 divided by x power 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. So 15 is 7, 3 power 8, 2 power 7 by x power 6. This is T8. Similarly, we need to find one more, that is T9. T9 can be written as T8 plus 1. So T8 plus 1 is what? NCR. What is N? 15. CR is what? The first term 3x power 15 minus 8, and second term 2 by x square power R. R is what? 8. So that is 15C8. So 3x power 15 minus 8, that is 7, and 2 power 8 by x power 8 to the 16. Simplify it to become 15C8, 3 power 7, 2 power 8, x power transfer it to down. So 16 minus 7, 9. So T9. These are the two middle terms. T8 and T9 are the middle terms because the power is odd number. If the power is odd number, n plus 1 by 2th term and next term. 15 plus 1 by 2. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 by 2 is 8. 8 and 9. T8 and T9. 8th and 9th term, you should use the formula and get the answer. I hope all of you understood. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.